Yeah. And I mean, you talking about Ethiopia and people saying we don't have jobs. This just reminds me of my own story because I started my company in Ethiopia. I was not even
Mhm.
in Germany. I started it from there. Only I wanted to actually found a company in Ethiopia, but I needed 200,000 euros for that as a foreigner, and I didn't have that, of course. So I decided, okay, let's found it in Germany and but still work in Ethiopia with local partners. And I spent 4 years in Ethiopia and I started my company there. So it's I did it like I didn't do it from a nice office in Europe, you know, where somebody
Yeah,
paid me to do this, but I did the bootstrapping thing, and so yeah, it's possible, but it's hard work. But like, it doesn't help to say there are no jobs. It doesn't help to say nobody gives me money.
yeah,
You know? It's
totally
still
agree.
possible.
Totally, totally agree. Well, it's, to me, it's all the questions that I have. I really, really, really thank you by your time, by your comments, all the knowledge you are sharing with us, the inspiration you bring to us. Personally, me, it's a big satisfaction to meet the first social entrepreneur I meet, and somebody who is actually um, in all the definition we have as an African gold grower. So thank you very much. በጣም አመሰግናለሁ።
ችግር የለውም አመሰግናለሁ እሺ yeah, thank you too. It was fun to be here. Thank you very much.